Benjamin, can you talk to us about what scraping means for online businesses?
Sure. So there are indeed like dozens of different threats related to the bad bot traffic, credential stuffing, account takeover, scalping, payment fraud, etc. But the scraping attacks are very interesting because they really pose a lot of threats for digital businesses. Because scrapers are able to collect a lot of information that are available publicly or even behind a paywall on some websites. Scrapers will collect price information, for instance. That can generate a huge impact on the business when your competitors is able to adjust and to update the price in real time based on your own pricing. So that's really the business that is impacted for scrapers that are targeting pricing. We are seeing also scrapers fetching some very important content like article on medias, like the stock availability that can also be used then for scalpers, etc. And they are also able to generate a lot of requests on a website that can impact the performance and the cost on the infrastructure. We are seeing that scrapers are no longer super basic script. They are now very sophisticated, distributed across millions of IP addresses, and they are able to target the weakest spot in the infrastructure.